Hi guys, today I'm going to explain how to create a scenario. So, how to create a script up to road vision in near road, but how to create a scenario the same. You will go to the design tab and create. So, as I already said, the previous create a new project. I have given the name as practices to click on finish. So, the prerequisite is first you need to create a project in near road. Then click on OK. Just now you record your script, start web recording. Once you click on that, it will ask the user path name, user path script. So start client, which browser you are going to record. So I have to select Internet Explorer rather than other. So if you want to select Mozilla Firefox also. So by default it is Internet Explorer. So click on OK. So once you click on OK, what the tool it will do is it will open a browser along with the recording toolbar. So just observe what happened. So ask me later. So what you can do is here you give the URL. That this is my URL. So I will give the name URL. This is just click on that. So more information. Go to it. So after that, what you can do is you can click on doc. So next process, click on bulldog. So before performing any action, you will give that transaction name over there. Now stop recording. So once you click on stop recording, what it will do is the first screen, whenever you stop the recording, the first screen, whatever it is appeared, that is, it will show the host information. Whatever host you are using, that information will be displayed here. The next page is nothing but a dynamic values. Click on next. So the next page is a think time. Click on finish. So now you can observe that the script is recorded. So once the script is recorded, what you can do is you will validate the script. In order to validate, what you can do is go to the advanced. 1 minute. Here advanced tab is there. Check a user path. Here the advanced is there. So handle cachely new users. I will explain why we are giving the new user and click start checking. So just what you will do here is just you will validate the script whether script containing any errors or not. So this is a mandatory thing that once you record the script. So whenever you see this result tab, you can see the results different options: time, action, response code. I think guys, you know what is the response code and SSN and what is the difference. So if you put any SSN or a checkpoints, that will be displayed here. So the final result is the user path is valid. So now what you can do is you will create a populations. Population nothing but groups, or we can add the number of users over here. So create a population. So you will give the name pop file. So click on OK. So this is the way you create a scenario. So today video I am going to explain how to create a scenario. So first you click on app operations and give the name. So once you give that, it will automatically display that the user path with the percentage. If you want the 100%, suppose if you want to add any other thing, you can also add it, not remove. So percentage, if you want to give that over here 50 or 100, I have given the 100%. And browser, you can select the browser also, because you know that sometimes you want to record the script in some different browser, or you also want to check run the script in different browser as well as a mobile. Suppose if you want to test run the application, mobile application with a different browser, you can select over here. You can select Chrome, you can select the mobile is HTC Senses and click on OK. So this is the option that here is. So handle caching new user, because I will explain later. So this is the uh, page. You can create a scenario. So go to the runtime. So here runtime, it will be displayed over here. If you want to give the iteration, you can set iteration over here, number of users and iteration. If you want to know limit, that means stop manually. Sometime it will stop. Or if you want to give a duration, you will give the duration over here. Suppose I will give the duration 5 minutes. Let's see what happens. So there are different options. First, we will give no limit. That is, uh, it is not depend on the duration and other things. And by iteration, the same options whatever you have seen in a route or not, that will be here. And third option is yeah. So I will give the duration by time 2 minutes and simulator is applied for clickings. And now what you can do is start scenario. This is the button start the scenario. So once you click on that, it will display any access tokens is there. So you can script it and click on OK. You can write. So running the test. So here I have given the running the test. So now the test is running. So in this video, I want to explain how to create a scenario in controller, it is example, and how to run a test. So basically, I will main focus on how to create a scenario. Just see that how it will run. So now what I can do is I will stop the test, because it will take much time. Stop playing the test. Once you stop, it will ask copy the results. So it will copy. So guys, in this video, I think you understand how to record a scenario in near road. So thanks guys. Thank you. Signing off.